Spot the difference.
Hello,
What
I
are
am
these three
DE Gram.
model? Can you spot the difference? Now we will go closer. This is the 2026 Toyota Hilux Conquest 4x4. And this is the 4x2. And this is the Hilux G. So what are the difference? For these two, everything is the same other than the 4x4 and 4x2 feature. But everything is the same, including the tire. Including the tire is the same. Okay? The same. Let's open this. Look. Let's open this. Look. Okay? Everything is the same. Now, for these two, the Conquest, this is the difference. One. And then, let's look at the tire. If it's the same. '17 rim, and this one is 18 rim. Okay, this is 18. This is 17. Okay, and there's roof flare. There's no roof flare. And the brake at the back is drum. Here, the brake at the back is this. So those are the differences. And then you have the sports bar. You have the sports bar. This one doesn't have a sports bar. And here, when you open it, it is using this mechanism. For this one, okay, it's a different mechanism, but the same bed liner. And for the back, it's almost the same other than the sticker and the G emblem. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.